Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from Chennai-based spacetech startup Agnikul Cosmos. The company has officially announced its ambitious plan to develop fully reusable rockets, aiming to deliver satellite launch services at globally competitive prices. The announcement was made at the International Astronautical Congress in Sydney, where Agnikul revealed that no part of its future rockets will be expended or left behind, a bold step towards sustainable and cost-effective space missions. You might remember that Agnikul successfully carried out its maiden sub-orbital test flight of the 3D-printed rocket Agnibaan SOrTeD last year. Now, the company is preparing for its first orbital launch, a major milestone in India's private space journey. Speaking on the occasion, Srinath Ravichandran, co-founder and CEO of Agnikul Cosmos, said, "We have consistently designed our vehicles to ensure that affordability and flexibility are never afterthoughts but built in from day one." He also credited the strong support of IN-SPACe and ISRO, which have provided policy and technological backing to help Agnikul explore rocket stage recovery and reusability. With multiple patents across the United States, Europe, and India, Agnikul is now scaling up its proprietary technologies to build commercially viable, fully reusable launch vehicles, taking inspiration from the global success of SpaceX's Falcon 9. This marks a new chapter for India's private space sector, as startups like Agnikul push the boundaries of innovation, affordability, and sustainability in space exploration. Stay tuned for more updates on Agnikul's journey and India's growing role in the global space race. And if you're excited about the future of Indian space technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such updates.